What's up, guys? Today is day 4 of the one trade a day challenge. All right, so this is my ES chart. I already marked up all my levels and my trade idea, or trade ideas. Now we just gotta wait for the market to give us an opportunity and wait for our A plus setup. So today's game plan is at 9:30 open. If we manipulate into these bullish gaps over here, I'm going to look for longs targeting the opposing liquidity and the bearish gaps, right? If we manipulate higher and tap into these bearish fair value gaps, I'm going to be looking to take shorts to go lower to take out the opposing liquidity. All right, so that's pretty much the game plan. And now all that there's left to do is wait for a setup. All right. We did get this 15 right here. Also, we got 9:45 red folder news. So probably gonna have to wait for that as well. Um, but yeah, we will react instead of predict. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it.
Pressure to kick in.
I need more displacement than that if I want to take it. I need more.
Solid displacement, bro.
Oh, what a dunk.
Order filled.
You're in
All
there?
right. Yep.
No, I'm not in anything. Oh, you are?
Like, what? We can't just get into that 5 minute gap, though.
I know, right?
Make us
That's
wait
all.
like a
That's
whole half
all
an
I'm
hour,
asking for,
bro.
bro. That's my first TP, bro. Dump it now. Come on.
Lying.
All
Stop
right.
filled.
I'm stopped out right there.
No way.
Yeah, I moved it to BE because it's playing.
I don't know, man. I just feel like that was too early to go VE. Like, if you get another sick entry, though, I would take it still.
We can get this other five.
The 5 is about to close. Yeah, inverted the 5.
All right.
Surely.
Order
But you're
filled.
waiting for the other 5?
No, that's it. I'm just in half size, honestly.
Come on, Nas. Give us something, Nas.
Stop
Oh,
filled.
I'm stopped out, bro.
Oh my gosh, it wants to fly again and take all me profits.
Bro, I'm so cooked, man.
What's the
Alright,
account
man.
saying?
I'm calling it there, bro. There's a small loss, but like, bro,
On to the next day, man.
it's just so dumb. Like, no way. Like, I got stopped at BE, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Hi, broski. Take care, man.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, gang.
Peace out.
Easy, easy. All right, so that was pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. That's the end of day 4 and the end of the trading week. So I took 1 BE and 1 loss, right? So at market open, we just flew and we just kept on flying. We took out this major buy side liquidity right there. And then I took a 2-minute inversion. There was also a CISD. And then I moved my stop to BE way too quickly. And I ended up getting stopped at BE right there. And then it continued to dump to my TP and to what have been my second TP or my final TP. So that's pretty unfortunate. I'm not gonna lie. Right. And then because it was BE, I was like, all right, I'm not gonna count that trade. And then I took a 5-minute inversion, right? So we inverted this 5-minute. I took the trade and instantly got stopped out. Quite unfortunate again, right? And earlier, because I was looking for longs, continuation off of this 5-minute right here, right? We got a 1-minute inverse right here. 1-minute inverse right here, right? But I hesitated to enter. I don't know why, but I ended up missing the move. That would have been a TP smack as well. But overall, my executions were not that great today. Moved my stop to BE way too quick. I guess because, I don't know, I was just getting impatient. But I'm only down $279 for the day. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. Quite unfortunate. This week was very rough. I only won 1 trade this week. The rest were losses. So hopefully next week is better because this week was horrendous. In terms of my executions too, definitely need improvement, but I'm happy with how I risk managed, and yeah, it is what it is, man. So hopefully we make a comeback next week. And yeah, let me do a little breakdown of how much I lost this week. All right, so on Tuesday, I lost $433. And then on Wednesday, I made $621. And then Thursday, I lost $611. And today, I lost $279. So pretty rough week, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I'm down a total of $702. Pretty rough, but I did manage my risk pretty well, so I'm not too mad about it. We can honestly make that back in 1 trade, and hopefully next week is a lot better. I'm trying to get to this payout, man. The 100K account is still overall in profit, about $500. So, you know, I'm not gonna lose hope. We're just gonna stay disciplined, keep on grinding, and get to that payout. But I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.